Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the best inflatable swimming pool you can get your hands on. Introducing the Inflatable Swimming Pool for Kids and Adults by Stargo. This pool is a game changer, offering endless fun and relaxation for the whole family. Let's dive right into the details. First off, this pool is designed for both kids and adults. With dimensions of 95 inches in length, 55 inches in width, and 25 inches in height, it provides plenty of room for 2 adults or up to 4 children. It's the perfect backyard pool for splashing, relaxing, and family water rides. One of the standout features of this pool is the inflatable floor, providing a cushioned and comfortable experience in the sun. Whether you're sitting or standing, you'll enjoy a soft footing with added protection. Now, let's talk durability. The walls of this pool have 3 layers that you can pump with air, making it incredibly sturdy. The secure valves ensure it stays fully inflated. The setup is a breeze, taking just 4 to 5 minutes with an electric pump. And when it's time to store it, the bottom drain pipe makes it easy to drain the water. Just let the sun dry any wet patches, and then you can fold it up for compact storage. But here's the exciting part: the versatility. You can use this pool as a swimming pool for kids or a lounge pool for adults. It's even suitable for indoor use as a ball pit or a toddler play zone. The possibilities are endless. This pool is made from high-quality polyvinyl chloride material, ensuring its durability. It has a capacity of 350 gallons, making it perfect for a family day of fun in the sun. Now, let's talk about the price. The list price is $64.99, but you can grab it right now for just $34.80, saving a whopping 46%. It's a fantastic deal for the quality and fun you'll get out of this pool. So there you have it, the inflatable swimming pool for kids and adults by Stargo. It's safe, comfortable, and offers endless entertainment for the whole family. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Get yours today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this pool, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.